Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to make a quick video on the ZX4000 by Adidas. These released on the 9th of February and it comes in a matte black slide out box with a glossy 4D branding at the top. Sliding out the box you get the shoes and some wrapping paper. It's a nice box but an extra set of laces would have been nice since this is a $350 shoe. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the ZX4000 4D by Adidas. And I must admit, ever since these were announced, it was love at first sight. But like my Instagram crush and other limited sneakers, I thought I wouldn't get anywhere near them. But I did get lucky this time with my raffle win at SNS. At first I expected this to follow Adidas' recent trend of hybrids or simple sole swaps, as seen on the likes of the i5923 4D from the Never Made pack. But as you can see, Adidas took this late 80s runner to the future with its mint green 3D printed sole matched with a multi-textured, mostly prime knit upper. I like the change from white at the toe to the white and black knit on the mid panel and heel. Soft neutral grey suede overlays can be seen on the eyelets, heel, and the lateral side of the forefoot. Pink embroidered stitching details also add a nice pop around the eyelets and heel. I love little touches like the pink leather lace tab and the medial side heel tab featuring a gold debossed ZX4000 4D in that digital clock font. I sense that the designers have a reverse design theme when you compare it to aspects of the OGs that's been changed. For example, the perforated wave on the lateral side of the forefoot is now exaggerated stitching, as well as featuring a material change which wasn't seen on the OG. The OG had a more narrow lacing system, while the 4D is now evenly spaced out. The OG had a rubber debossed heel counter, now it's a pronounced padded suede. There are a few things that seem somewhat similar to the OG, like the slightly extended aquamarine padded nylon tongue, and I guess the black suede hit that flanks around the midfoot to the mid panel and heel collar, this time sporting a yellow torsion logo at the mid panel. Other details include the flat yellow laces, black felt insoles with lime green Adidas branding, as well as the black and pink outsole design. Honestly, I'm in love with this shoe, especially in this colorway. It kinda reminds me of the OG Wave Runner, maybe because of its yellow laces and overall color scheme, but I just feel like it's fresh, yet easy to style. I'm also glad that they took the time to make a whole new design, rather than bringing someone in to simply deconstruct the design for its 30th anniversary. The materials, construction details are all spot on. I love the shape, and despite what everyone's saying about 4D, it's amazing. It's slightly heavy, I must admit, but it has a nice firm cushioning if you like classic Adidas cushioning systems like the Torsion EVA or Adiprene. But my only problem with 4D is the price. Yes, £300 is better than 4, but I would have preferred if this was closer to 2. Hopefully we can see that in the future. Anyway, I'm really happy I managed to pick these up. It's a great shoe, but sizing is a little bit tricky. I will stay true to size overall, but they do fit quite narrow. I'm usually a UK 11, but with these, I prefer my UK 11.5 because I have slightly wider feet. So these are a big yes for me. So let me know, no. Okay, let me stop. I thought that sounded really cool. But all jokes aside, did you pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment reverse to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content and drop me a follow on Instagram, Twitter and Heartface. I sell my stuff for an app called Depop, so you might want to follow me on there too. As usual, all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.